everybody, and welcome to our moving vlog. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Holly, and today we are going to be moving. We're going to be loading everything into our truck. We are moving from Utah to Florida, in case you didn't know or you're new here. But I do a lot of videos on parenting, Montessori. I have 2 little boys, so if you're interested, keep on watching. We have lots to do. Alright, so we had slept in our bed that previous night, so I hadn't packed any of my bedding, but I made sure to pack all that up except for the mattress protector because I left that on when we were moving and it was great to protect our mattress. We just washed it afterwards. You could also even buy a new one, which is awesome. And then, yeah, finished up our room and moved on to the kitchen. I always like to pack the kitchen up last because you always end up using things and needing things from the kitchen, and you also are wanting to use up all of your food. But we packed things up. I had my son in his learning tower playing at the sink, which was so helpful and such a great distraction for him. So I definitely recommend getting a learning tower, as I always do. I liked having a central location where I put all of my cleaning supplies and paper towels and things like that so that you could be organized as you're making sure that you're cleaning and not packing things up when you need them. So I definitely recommend having a central location where you put all your stuff so you don't lose anything. Hey guys, so it is the next day. We are just cleaning. We have everything packed. I'll put in, it was like so hard to get footage of all of us packing and moving, and we had people helping. I didn't want to film them. So our truck is packed. I'll put in just like a little video I took of it all just packed up. So yeah, now we are just needing to clean and take out all the stuff from our fridge. But yeah, we are basically done. It's so crazy. I'm so excited. And yeah, you guys can just follow along as I clean. Say Florida. Where are you going? Florida. Yeah, bye-bye. Should we bye-bye closet?
Bye-bye closet. No way.
What? Okay. Hey guys, so we are completely done. We said goodbye. And Oak is like a little bit sad, but we're working through it. And yeah, the next time that you see us, well, I'm probably going to do some of our vlogs of going down to St. George, Utah, and other things, but yeah, this is the last you'll see this house, which is crazy. What, did you want to hold the camera or something for me? Is that what you were doing? Say goodbye. Hey, Okie. We're gonna go home. I know. We're gonna go see Grandma and Grandpa's house. Bye-bye, house.